Most of us use AppLock in our phone as a system app or as a third-party application. If you are using an AppLock, you should watch this video. I know that many of you have protected gallery and a file manager using an AppLock. But most of us don't lock browsers, right? That's the biggest mistake we are doing. Let me open Chrome browser and type file:3 and then SD card. Done. Now it will open all the files present in your internal storage. Now the Chrome browser acts as a file manager. You can view photos and videos. You can also open an APK file. In Android, SD card is referred as internal storage and SD card 1 is referred as memory card. So go ahead and lock the browsers in your AppLock and also the Play Store. Some old third-party AppLock applications are not safe and it goes as soon as we uninstall them. The AppLock goes without protecting the locked apps. In stock Android as well as in custom ROMs, we won't get a pre-built AppLock. Many of the users used to ask me, what is the best third-party AppLock application? Most of the third-party AppLock application comes with a lot of ads. But I recommend you to use not an AppLock. It doesn't contain any ads and it is also safe to use. You have to give the app all the permission it asks for. You should also activate this app as a device administrator so that it will be more secure. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like my video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking that bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Vijay Srinivas signing out. You guys have a great day. So yeah, peace out.